Now del credere commission. Del credere commission is paid by the consignor so that the risk of any bad debt is borne by the consignee. If there is any bad debt, that loss would be suffered by the consignee. For this, additional commission called del credere commission is paid by the consignor to the consignee. So what happens in the books of the consignee? On credit sale, consignment debtors to consignor as before. If money is received, bank account debit to consignment debtors. But if money is not received, it becomes bad debt since this is an expense in the books of the consignee. It says bad debt account to consignment debtors, and the same thing is transferred to commission account. Sometimes this entry may be combined and we may simply say commission account debit to consignment debtors. The effect is the same. A one combined entry may also be passed so that for the bad debt losses, the commission income account is debited and the balance in the commission account only is transferred to profit and loss account. Consignor will not bear bad debt losses. So if there is a bad debt in the books of the consignor, there will be no entry if del credere commission has been paid. Let us consider another problem. Goods sent out on consignment 2 lakh. Consignor's expenses 5,000. Consignee's expenses 2,000. Cash sales 1 lakh. Credit sales 1 lakh 10,000. Consignment stock 40,000. Ordinary commission payable to consignee 3,000. Del credere commission 2,000. The amount irrecoverable from a customer rupees 2,000. What will be the profit on consignment? What is the profit on consignment? If we prepare a consignment account, consignment account debit to goods sent on consignment is 2 lakh. Consignor's expenses are 5,000. Consignment account debit to bank would be 5,000. Consignee's expenses are 2,000. Consignment account debit to consignee 2,000. Cash sales 1 lakh 10,000 and credit sales 1 lakh. Cash sales 1 lakh, credit sales 1 lakh 10,000. Total sales we could write by consignee. I'm writing it together 2 lakh 10,000. Consignment stock. So what is the entry for consignment stock? Consignment stock account debit to consignment. Crediting the consignment account, we get consignment stock 40,000. Ordinary commission payable is 3,000 and del credere commission is 2,000. So to consignee, this was for expenses. To consignee for commission is how much? 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000 is the amount. The amount irrecoverable from a customer is 2,000. If there was no del credere commission, this 2,000 would have been a loss of the consignor and would have debited consignment account. But now this is completely ignored while computing profit. Bad debt loss is not the consignor's loss. So what is the profit now? We have 2 lakh 50,000 this side. What were the expenses here? 2 lakh 12,000. Therefore, we are talking of a profit of 38,000. Profit on consignment transferred to general profit and loss. 38,000. Profit on consignment 38,000. This goods sent out on consignment 2 lakh. Consignor's expenses 5,000. Consignee's expenses 2,000. Cash sales 1 lakh. Credit sales 1 lakh 10,000. Consignment stock 40,000. Ordinary commission payable to consignee 3,000. Del credere commission 2,000. Amount irrecoverable 2,000. So the same problem, past journal entries in the books of consignee. Journal entries. Let us see. Let us take each transaction. Goods sent on consignment, there is no entry. Consignor's expense, no entry. Consignee's expense, 2,000. The entry would be, this money has to be collected from the consignor. So it would be consignor's account debit to bank. Amount 2,000. Next, cash sales 1 lakh 10, cash sales 1 lakh and credit sales 1 lakh 10,000. So what would be the entry? Cash sales, let us say bank account debit. And the other one, debtors, so we'll say consignment debtors. Bank is 1 lakh. Consignment debtors 1 lakh 10,000. Bank debit, consignment debtors account debit. 2, this money is payable to the consignor. So 2 lakh 10,000. So sales is taken care of. Taken care of this. We've taken care of this. We've taken care of this. Consignment stock 40,000. We don't pass any entry here. Commission, we need to pass an entry. Commission is totally 5,000. What is the entry? Commission is our income. We have to collect it from consignor. So consignor's account debit to commission 5,000. The amount irrecoverable from a customer is 2,000. What would be the entry for that? Assuming all other money is recovered, we will say bank account debit. I'm assuming that 1 lakh, the remaining 1 lakh 8,000 is received. So bank account 1 lakh 8,000. Bad debts 2,000 irrecoverable to consignment debtors 1 lakh 10,000. With this we close consignment debtors account. What do we do to the bad debts? We transfer it to the commission account. So commission account, which we had credited for 5,000 here, now it becomes commission account debit to bad debts 2,000. What is the commission income? 5,000 minus 2,000, 3,000 only, which is transferred to the profit and loss account. So close the commission account. Commission account debit to profit and loss account. We have the balance of 3,000. This is how journal entries will be passed in the books of the consignee. Commission account to profit and loss 3,000, 5,000 commission received, less bad debt losses 2,000, only 3,000 would be transferred to as income to profit and loss account of the consignee.